In this episode of Cobb TV, we are talking about different drum beats that use double strokes. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. Now, a double stroke, if you didn't already know, is when you strike the drum twice with each hand. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Or you can switch hand you're leading with. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. Some people call this the mama dada roll. Mama dada, mama dada, mama dada, mama dada. Although the double stroke is mainly used to create different combination of drum rolls, it can actually be used to create drum beats. Our first example is from W.S. Holland, the drummer for Johnny Cash for a very long time, and he actually uses double strokes to play the train beat. The reason why W.S. Holland likes to play the train beat in that way is because it saves him a lot of energy and he prefers the way it sounds. Now, you normally wouldn't think of punk rock as being a genre where you use a lot of double strokes, but check out the groove in Bad Reputation by Joan Jett. For a long time, I was playing that beat completely different and wearing myself out because it's at such a fast tempo. But if you listen closely, there are definitely doubles being used on that tom-tom beat. Another song in the punk rock idiom that uses double strokes is Longview by Green Day. And it's got a swinging feel. So Trey Cool, he's playing a shuffle on his toms. The floor tom's playing his right double, and the rack tom's playing his left double. And the only thing we need to add in there is filling in the triplet on the second right double on the floor tom. Our left hand's just going to come around and fill that in and then go back to the rack tom. And lastly, another song that has that same kind of shuffle feel on the toms using double strokes is Suit Riot by Cherry Poppin' Daddies. And there you have it, just a few different examples of using double strokes as drum beats. It can save you a lot of energy because when you get good at doubles, it takes a lot less effort to do them than it does with fast singles. And you can just come up with these different cool combinations on different parts of the drums. So if you know any other drum beats that uses different combinations of double strokes, I'd love to check those out. Please leave a comment with the title of the song. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. But in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.